Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the crankshaft position sensors on Volkswagen Tiguan third generation. Guys, if you have problems with car not starting, crankshaft position sensor not working, please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the crankshaft position sensor, multiple fuses will need to be checked. We will work in different fuse boxes, make sure you stay until the end, guys. Those are for engine management. There is limited information exactly which sensor is for the crankshaft position, which fuse is for the crankshaft position sensor, but we'll check multiple ones, and one of those will be for the crankshaft position sensor. Guys, if you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor on a car, it's quite simple. We'll have videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. Facing the car, on the right side, on the driver's side, this is the main engine fuse box. We'll start with that one. When you open it, guys, it looks like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, here now we need to check multiple fuses, and starting on this side, this is the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll explain about that one first, and then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011. Starting here, we need to check, guys, fuse number 10, very important fuse right here. Then we need to locate fuse number 13, so we'll go right here, 13, 14 and 15. Then 13, 14, 15, then we need to check fuse number, you may have 16, 17, 18. Those are very important fuses, guys. Next you jump to fuse number 23, right here, 24, and these two relays. In addition, if you still have problems with the car, check your mega fuses on the front, because it could be a bad mega fuse that causes that problem too. Now we're going to come to show you for 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. That's what the fuse box looks like right here. And guys, here things will differ a little bit. We're still going to have fuse number 10 now, which will be right here. Then we need to check fuse number 13 after that. So 13, 14, 15, these three fuses right here. Then we go to fuse number 20. You may have this one, some models. 21, 23 and 24. very important fuses. And you need to check the two relays. Okay, on the front you have the mega fuses. Now guys, we're not done. We still have a few things to check. 3 more fuses there on the inside of the car. Let us show you where. So if you open the driver door here now, on the driver's side you see the steering wheel. Underneath it on the left side you have a hidden fuse box. By the way, we have a special video that's called VW Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. It will teach you all about your hidden fuse boxes, relays. You will have many hidden components in that car that you need to know. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Coming here guys, we will be working in the mini fuse box here in the middle row. We need to check 3 fuses in a row. The bottom, underneath the fuses, you'll see the numbers. That's number right here, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you need to check fuse number 13, 14, 15. These 3 fuses right here. Those are the main fuses that we need to check. The relays guys. Now we explain about also relays, but if you still have problems with anything like that, go ahead and check the engine computer relay. If you don't know where it's located, we'll have the video on the channel, but most likely that's also what's causing the problem as well. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.